Okay, Lancaster School District students and parents, there have been some questions in regards to how do we contact staff. If we are on the website and we go to staff and we click on staff home, you will be able to see Zoom links for Winskill Elementary staff and Zoom links for Lancaster Middle School, High School staff. There will be office hours from 10 o'clock in the morning until noon for both buildings each day, in which through these links you will be able to reach out to the staff. So if we click here, I will be able to reach out to Ms. Noble. I will click on her Zoom link once it comes up, and it'll bring me to this link that I will click. I don't have to install any software. This can be done on a phone or another device. I'm going to join with video, and I will wait for Ms. Noble. You will see this screen before she admits you into the meeting. Once we are in the meeting, I can unmute myself so I can talk. Hey, Ms. Noble.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I will also be able to chat with Ms. Noble through the chat feature. I can find these features by hovering down on the lower part of the Zoom screen. I can also stop my video, and I can mute myself so that I am able to listen to what other students have to say. When we are done, I can leave the meeting. There are many other features with all of this, but this will get us started for our first set of office hours, which will begin tomorrow, Thursday, March 19th at 10 o'clock a.m. Thanks.